Oh no, during a live stream influencer Minecraft Michael used an incredibly offensive slur. Now faced with imminent cancellation, Minecraft Michael needs your help recording an apology video to save his career.
Whew. Hey guys. Whew. It's Minecraft Michael. So, I just wanted to say that I'm sorry. I let you down. But I am only human, and humans make—
Alright guys, huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Monkey Crypto. Go to their website and use my code for a 20% off discount.
Whew. I've been doing a lot of self-reflection, and— Dear Internet, it's Michael. I messed up. I'm sorry. Dear